Hi, fifth graders. Today's topics are going to be word problems with dividing money amounts, unit prices, increasing number sequences, and geometric number sequences. So we're going to start off with our word problems. Number 4 states, Josh earned $960 working as a cashier. He worked for 96 hours. How much did Josh earn per hour? So we know that Josh earned a total of $960, right? And we know that he worked for a total of 96 hours. And so in a total of 96 hours, he earned $960. But we want to know how much Josh earned per hour. So we're going to have to divide the total amount that he earned by the total amount that he worked. So it will be 960 divided by 96. So 96 goes into 96 once, right? And 96 minus 96 is just 0. And then we bring this 0 down here. And then 96 can go into 0 just 0 times. And then it should just be equal to 0 again. So you will have no remainders and your answer will be 10. So we need to, when we're answering word problems, we need to make sure that we're labeling our units. So in this case, it's in money, so we're going to put dollars, and it'll be $10 per hour, because it's asking how much he makes per hour. Next, we're going to go with unit prices. Let's do 2 problems for this one. Number 4 states, a 5-pack of rulers costs $10.35. What is the unit price? So when it's asking for the unit price, it's the same thing, how much it costs for 1 pack of rulers. So if a 5-pack of rulers costs $10.35, we're going to have to divide $10.35 by 5. So it'll be 5 goes into 10.35. And then 5 goes into 10 2 times, right? So 5 minus 10 is just 0. I'm sorry, 10 minus 10 is just 0. And then don't forget to put our decimal point back up here. And then we're going to bring our number 3 down. And so we'll have a 3, but 5 can go to 3 0 times, so we'll put 0. And then 3 minus 0 is just 3. Now we bring down our 5. We get 35. And 5 can go to 35 7 times, right? So 35 minus 35 is 0. So the unit price for this one would be $2.07. That will be our unit price. So when it asks for the unit price, you just find the price of 1. Now let's do number 6. It's asking us which is better to buy: 2 packs of golf balls for $4.32 or 8 pack of golf balls for $16.72. So in order to figure out which one's better to buy, we're going to have to find out the unit price of each, right? So let's start with part A right here. So it says 2 packs of golf balls cost $4.32. So we're going to divide $4.32 by 2. And 2 can go into 4 2 times, right? 4 minus 4 is just 0. And then bring up our decimal point, of course. And then bring down our 3. 2 can go into 3 1 time. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And then we bring out our 2. We get 12, right? 2 can go into 12 6 times. And 12 minus 12 is just 0, right? So for part A, it will be $2.16 for 1 pack of golf balls. Now let's try to figure out for part B how much it costs for 1 pack of golf balls. So we're going to divide 16.72 by 8. And we know 8 can go into 16 2 times, right? 16 minus 16 is just 0. Make sure to bring up our decimal point. Then bring down our 7. 8 cannot go into 7, so we're going to put 0. And then we'll put 7 minus 0, which is 7. And then bring down our 2, and then becomes 72. And 8 can go into 72 9 times, right? So it'll be 72 minus 72, which is 0. So for the 8 pack of golf balls that cost $16.72, the unit price for it would be $2.09. So the best one to buy would be the one that costs cheaper for 1 pack of 8 balls. And in this case, 8 packs of golf balls for $16.72 has a lower unit price. So that will be the better choice. Now I'm going to look at increasing number sequences. So we're going to try to figure out what number this one is by figuring out the pattern that's going on over here. So let's figure it out. So from 1 to 3, you're adding 2, right? From 3 to 7, we're adding 4. From 7 to 13, we're adding 6. From 13 to 21, it seems like we're adding 8. And then 21 to 31, we're adding 10. And then 31 to 43, we're adding 12. So as we can see here, this pattern, we're adding it, we're increasing by 2, right? We're increasing by 2. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, right? So what's 12 plus 2? It'll be 14. Right? So we're going to add 14 to 43. So let's figure that out. 43 plus 14, 57. So the next number in the sequence would be 57. So when you're looking at this worksheet, you have to look for a particular pattern and the increasing number. In this case, we're increasing by 2 each time. So that's what I did. Next, we're going to look at the geometric number sequence. Let's look at number 4. So it goes from 3 to 15, and then there's a blank space, and then it goes to 375, and then 1875, right? So when we look from 3 to 15, we can see that we're multiplying by 5, or that we're adding by 12. But in this case, it's better to see, I think the better choice is multiplying by 5, because when we multiply 375 by 5, we get, well, right here, 25, so it's 35 plus 2 is 37, bring up to 3, 5 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, and it's 1875, right? So the better choice would be multiplying by 5. So we're going to have to multiply 15 by 5 to get this blank number right here. So it'll be 15 times 5, 25, bring up the 2, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So the missing number would be 75. And if you want to check your work, you can do 75 times 5, and it should give you 375. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video helped you guys a bit.